Hydrogen production. Hydrogen production. Hydrogen production. Hydrogen is everywhere. Wherever water, there is hydrogen. The whole universe is mingled with water and water substances, and hydrogen is hiding. So, hydrogen is the viable energy in future. How to produce this hydrogen is a logic question. Also, from now, question can be raised by ordinary person, but could be answered only by knowledgeable persons in bioscience. How hydrogen produced from biomass? Biomass gasification. Biomass gasification is a mature technology pathway that uses a controlled process involving heat, maybe solar heat, steam, natural steam from evaporation. Available in India from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. is convert biomass to hydrogen, convert hydrogen from biomass. Hydrogen and other products without combustion, any power involved, any extra power from external sources, machines, naturally available. Hydrogen products, hydrogen production, biomass gasification is approved by Department of Energy. Department of Energy. The glucose effect of the biomass is an active ingredient. Where do you going to get all biomass? This is the raw material that I have selected. What is the name of the raw material? Banana stem. It is a banana stem. Again, you crush it. Crush banana stem by giving a closed control of this fiber by cold process. Yes, it is the answer of future hydrogen production. Production cheapest hydrogen. Produce cheapest hydrogen is a analyzed from leading newspaper, Economic Times. High protein food in your diet may up in this process. Dark fermentation is an alternative method to biological hydrogen production from biomass. It is process which carried out in the dark under gas aerobic conditions, anaerobic condition, not aerobic, anaerobic condition. So, what you have to do is to create anaerobic condition. There is no work to air, outside air. It should be closed. So it is directly related to the acidogen stage of digestion process. The digestion took place from yeast. Yeast within yeast. Don't add water or any material from outside. Extract from the stem only. Dark fermentation. Dark fermentation is a review today. If you entrust this to multinational, they can produce easily from seawater, rainwater, and water from our tank. They will produce millions of dollars and giving a great loss to Indian economy. So, naturally available fermentation technology is cheapest. Thank you for listening this short video.